So, andito kami ngayon sa Pike Lake. Malamig at fresh yung air. Tingnan nyo guys. So, diyan kami nag-campaign kasama ng kaibigan ng kuya at ate ko. Hello! Guys, tingnan nyo. Lolo, kuya. YouTube ni tita. Maraming taong nagpapahangin dito. No, it's good. Grabe, ang lawak, ang ganda. Okay, go, 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 go.
Oh my God, ang dami na lamok. So many mosquitoes. Honeybees. Yeah. Mosquitoes and honeybees. Yeah. Like, do you know I saw so many honeybees? Yeah, and mosquitoes too. Also, a baby saw a honeybee. Also, a baby get the honey. That's so scary. Yeah. I hate honeybees. That's why
Me too. I hate honey, but I like honey. You like honey?
Honeybees?
No, that's honey only.
That's
Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo, maraming taong nagpapahangin dito. Wow.